Hey guys, Yes here, welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited about today's video, not only because I haven't done a favorites video in like 72 years, but also because I had this awesome idea of incorporating a little bit of Spanish into my favorites videos. So I thought while I show you guys my favorite products, I can also teach you guys the proper translation to those products, and it'll be like a few words here and there, but that's the way that you learn, just by picking up little things here and there, you know? And just a little disclaimer, I do speak fluent Spanish, but I wouldn't say that I speak the super proper Spanish, you know? My Spanish is very Americanized, if you would, so it's a lot of like Spanglish, you know, truck, troca, but it should be camioneta. If you speak Spanish, you know what I'm talking about. But I will be giving you guys good translations for these words so I can guide you guys in the right direction. So with that being said, if you guys want to learn what my monthly favorites are, then please keep watching. But before we get into it, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. That way you'll get notified every time that I upload new videos. Okay, alright, let's get started now. Alright, so my first favorite is this Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Luxury Face Oil. Oh my god. If you haven't tried this, you need to get your hands on this because it is amazing. Honestly, I don't know like what is in it. I don't know what the ingredients are. I just know that it makes my face feel amazing. I put it on before I go to sleep, and then when I wake up, my face just, it literally feels like a baby's butt. It feels so pretty. It feels so luxurious. I wouldn't say it's very, I was gonna say it's not oily, but it doesn't, like I feel like it seeps into your skin. It doesn't really just like hang out on the like surface, if you would. I don't know if that makes any sense, but you guys, it is amazing. This is a little like tester size, but they do have like a nice hefty little thing, but I want to say that this is a pretty pricey product. But definitely worth it. So whenever I'm out of this one, I'm definitely going to go out and purchase the bigger size. And I'm not much of a purchaser because since I get a lot of PR, I just feel like it's kind of a waste to not use some of my other stuff instead of purchasing stuff, but I'm definitely going to go out and purchase this myself. Now, for the translation, this right here is oil, so it would be aceite. But it is face oil, so it's not just any kind of oil, so it would be aceite de cara. So that means oil of the face. If it was like literal translation, but it's like face oil, aceite de cara. Say it after me, aceite de cara. Yes. Next up is a product that I have talked about, and I actually mentioned it in a recent video, and it is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It smells amazing, you guys. I know that if you guys have watched my videos before, you guys are going to be like, we get it, Yesenia, it smells good. You say that every single time. You guys, I'm sorry. It's not my fault that it smells so good, but pretty much it is a cream that it claims to tighten the skin. So it's, I think people put it on their butt. I think that's why it's called the Bum Bum Cream. So you put it on and it's supposed to tighten your skin. And all I know is that it smells amazing and it's very moisturizing. So that's why I like it. To be honest, I'm not sure if my hands have tightened at all or anything like that. I haven't tried it on my butt yet, so I should. I don't know what I'm waiting for, but... Okay, so for this product's translation, it is a moisturizer, which would be crema hidratante. It's not a lotion, because if it was a lotion, it would be loción. But for a moisturizer, the translation would be crema hidratante. Say it after me. Crema hidratante. Crema hidratante. Fabulous. Alright guys, so this next product right here is literally life-changing. I'm not lying. I'm not being exaggerated. I swear to you, the first time that I used it, I was like, what? I was touching these areas right here and I was like, what in the world? Has my face been dirty my whole entire life? Like I couldn't comprehend it. It is the Tatcha Polished Classic Rice Enzyme Powder, and it's kind of like a scrub cleanser, if you would. So you just add, it's powder, and then you add water to it and it kind of turns into like a creamy consistency, and you just kind of like rub it all over your face. And it's just, I don't know, it's literally life-changing. So if you guys didn't know, I get the most buildup around like my nose and my chin area, and I had this from PR. And so I decided, let's give it a go, and I tried it out, and oh my god, like my nose and my chin had never felt this smooth, which is why I was like, whoa, has my face been dirty this whole entire time? Like, I don't know what is in it, I don't know what the scientifical part about it is, but I just know that like I touched my face after and I was like, what in the world? I'm not kidding. Like, I wish that you guys could go to Sephora and like get yourself a sample and try it out, because honestly, it is so life changing. And like, I've been trying to get Michael to try it, but we're just so busy all the time that he's like hasn't tried it yet. But I'm like, I'm gonna go to my mom and my dad, I'm gonna give it to everybody, and I'm gonna be like, you need to try this, and then I want to sit there and watch their reactions, because honestly, life changing. So it is called polished, but I would say that this is a face scrub. So the translation for face scrub would be exfoliante facial. Say it after me: exfoliante facial. Exfoliante facial. Exfoliante facial. Do you guys love how I literally sound like I'm like part of a Spanish course or something? Because that's what I was going for. Alright guys, so these next products right here, I'm really excited to show you. This is actually from the drugstore, and I'm wearing it right now, and it is the Maybelline Plumper Please Shaping Lip Duo. I really like these because it has dual ends. So it has the one end, which is the liner, but honestly you can also use this as just like a matte lipstick if you want, and then the other side is actually the glossy side, and as you can see, it's super nice. It's what I'm wearing on my lips right now, and I just feel like it's super pigmented. It's definitely one of my favorite lip products from the drugstore at the moment. I just feel like it's so pigmented, it's so nice, and like, you have both sides. What else do you want? So these are actually lip duos, but we're gonna go ahead and stick to the word lipstick. So the translation for lipstick would be labial. Super easy, labial. I'm so excited about this product because you guys know that my eyelashes suck, and so when I find a good mascara, I get so freaking excited because I literally have like 2 mascaras in the world that I can use that work with my eyelashes. So when I find a new mascara that works really well, I get really excited, and it is the Lancôme Monsieur Big waterproof mascara. Some of you guys may have already tried the regular one, but the waterproof one, you guys, is amazing. Like, it just leaves my eyelashes looking poppin', they don't fall at all, and it just gives them like amazing volume. So I'm so excited that I found this. Sorry, I know I get a little bit scandalous, you guys, but honestly, there's literally 2 other mascaras in the entire planet that I have found work from my eyelashes. So when I have found a 3rd one, your girl deserves to be super excited. So for our Spanish word, this is actually called mascara. Obviously you guys know this, but the Spanish translation would be rímel. 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 Honestly, it's kind of weird. It's still even weird for me to say. Like, when I tell my mom, ¿Dónde está el rímel? It's kind of weird, but that's what it's called. I feel like I said it so many times that it's already lost its meaning. You know? Like, you know when you say a word so many times and then you're like, what? It doesn't even make sense. What is that? You know? That's what rímel is feeling like to me. Alright guys, so this next product you guys have definitely seen me use before in tutorials. It is the Peach Perfect Too Faced Setting Powder. And you guys, not only does it smell amazing, but when the particles kind of fly and you kind of like inhale it, it also tastes really good. And I've been using this stuff for, I don't know, since it came out. I've been obsessed. So it kind of has like a little tint to it, and the particles are super fine, which is why I really like it. I just feel like it gives you a really like flawless finish. Alright guys, so this one's a little bit tricky because it is a setting powder, but I don't know if setting powder has like its own like translation, like makeup wise, because the literal translation wouldn't work. So we're just gonna go ahead and go with powder. The translation for powder would be polvo. Polvo. Yes, are you guys getting it? Polvo. All of these words are starting to now lose their meanings to me just because I keep saying them. But yeah, the word is polvo. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed seeing the products that I have been obsessed with lately. Also, I really hope that you guys enjoyed the little Spanish translation thing that I tried to throw in there. I felt like it would be kind of fun, and you know, why not learn a few Spanish words if you can while watching a favorites video, you know what I mean? So please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching. Talk to you guys next time.